We want to share with you some of the things that you will be getting when you subscribe to the Norwood Strategy Scanner. Now, first of all, you get access to our PIP Club. And PIP Club is where you will see our charts and see us trading live. Many times we're trading the 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute, because we're sitting in front of the computer. Many times we'll refer back to the 4-hour and the 1-hour as far as the trends that are developing and saying that, yes, this is the trend. Okay, we'll continue to take those trades in that direction. So what I want to do is to go to the 4-hour and share with you what this trade looks like in the 4-hour time frame. Right here, it said, yes, the trend would be a long trend based on that point. That's the couple of hours that we were in the PIP Club. Look at the 1-hour. Has strong indication that's the direction it should go. Look at 15. Looks pretty choppy. How do you enter that? That's kind of hard to enter, but there's some signals there that say, okay, trade long or trade short. And then we go to the 5-minute. Give us a little more detail. Now we're back to the 1-minute, which shows us some trades. So there's some signals right here that would give you a heads up for possible 20 some odd pips, and then some signals right here for another 15, 20 pips. And then right over here, and this would be hard to trade right in here, but then it gave you some good pips over here for about another 30 pips. There are over 50, 60 pips right here on this one currency pair, knowing how to trade. Now, there are times that the market is quiet in the PIP Club, and when the market's doing this, unless there's activity on another currency pair, there's not going to be a lot of talking going on. We're looking, we're waiting, or else we're discussing different topics. So here's what our scanner form consists of. You go to Skype, you would register on Skype, and we put you into the forum so you can talk to other traders. And these are the types of things that are happening. This individual posted 25 pips and 30 pips prior for a total of 55 pips. He shows a picture of those. And then another person says, boy, that's great, I'd love to get even 20 pips a day. And then there's encouragement. And what are you managing on the 5-minute? So there's questions asking about how things are being managed. And you see a lot of conversation going on here. A picture from another trader about some trades. Another trade that was taken. Talk about, well, they just got into a trade right there. And you see all the different types of comments, and people are encouraging one another. So it's a fun place to be, an educational place to be. And so that's another tool. There are people in here almost 24 hours a day, especially when the market's moving. And so you can just type in, say, anyone here, and then if someone's happened to be looking, then they'll talk to you. And so you'll get used to when people are in the forum. We do have invitations to special trading sessions where there's small groups of traders trading, discussing. Now, these are some of the top traders in the world that you would get to trade with. These are students that are making 60, 100, 150 pips in a 2-hour session in the U.S. trading PIP Club. And you can hear those trades called out, and you can be there and follow along and take advantage of some of those trades. There'll be continuing education. There are videos that are posted in the scanner forum to reinforce what is in the course material and having these trades brought to your attention. See, all these trades, there would have been a signal to tell you that you might want to get into those. I'm going to scroll through just a few pairs. During the same section, you'll see these vertical lines and seeing what could have been traded. This currency pair had a few trades there as well. This currency pair, this was probably the longest one, but there were a couple of trades over here as well. And let's see what this one did. Okay, this is where the signal went off. We got this heads up. We decided that's where we're going to exit, but that would be the type of trade that we're getting the scanners bringing to our attention. And have you seen examples of other trades that traders are taking? Having access to the PIP Club, the scanner forum, invitation to special trading sessions, continuing education, having these trades brought to your attention. These are all things that you get, so it's a valuable opportunity for learning and developing your skills. And many people are actually trading full-time, making money trading with us. and they say that it's made possible because of the course material that we have and the association with the other traders. Come join us, visit the PIP Club, subscribe. We have many traders that are very successful with this, trading live money full-time, making their living, have done for many years. Thanks for being with us. Be sure and get in touch with us to take advantage of this fantastic offer of visiting the PIP Club, seeing this take place right before your eyes. Thanks for visiting with us.